guys, today we're going to make simple, easy, plus delicious fish cutlets. So let's begin with the ingredients. 4 pieces of fish fillets, 1 cup of mashed potatoes, 1 chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, garam masala half a teaspoon. If you want to know how to make homemade garam masala, check the link below. Crushed dried red chillies to taste, green chillies to taste, a quarter cup of chives or coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, salt to taste. Firstly, we're going to boil our fish fillets. Put them in the pot to boil. Add 1 cup of water. After you've boiled your fish and drained out all the water, you're going to mash it. Then mix all your ingredients together. Now after that, we're going to beat 2 eggs. Then we're going to roll it in some breadcrumbs. Grab a bit of your mixture. Then roll it around in the palm of your hand and flatten it out. Roll in your beaten eggs. Then in your breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs will add a little bit of crunch. Then that's ready to fry. In a pan, heat up oil until it's piping hot and place your fish cutlets. We're shallow frying them. Make sure you fry them on a low flame until they are golden brown on both sides. To get it a little bit crunchy, for 1 minute on a high flame, fry your fish cutlets. Then, when you're taking them out, place them on a kitchen towel so the oil is drained out. So here we have our delicious, simple, easy fish cutlets. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.